everybody, how's it going? Good morning. It is day one of the Hobie Bass Open on Kentucky Lake. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of what's been going on in the lake, what practice has been like. So I've got a bad feeling that right now the lake is in that weird late May type funk where the fish, you know, we just missed it by a couple of weeks. We missed that good bush bite. We missed the flower bite by just like a week and a half or so, maybe 2 weeks. There is probably a little bit of a delayed shad spawn going on somewhere on the lake because of the cooler weather the last couple nights. The water temps are anywhere from 74 to 79 degrees. Water's pretty warm. Fish are all over. They're in the backs of the creeks. They're in the middle of the creek on transition stuff, and there's some of them already moved out. So it's really tough for me. I haven't really been able to pattern them that well. So this tournament, there's 109 people. I'm just gonna kind of play it safe, go for a limit with potential maybe a couple big fish. I did get a couple good bites flipping way down south, but I'm gonna start way up north in Kentucky Lake and see what this area, it's a high percentage spot, so we're gonna see what we can do here. Tournament's about to start here in about a half an hour, so I'm gonna get the kayak unloaded and we're gonna take you guys with us. Here we are. I've already had first catch and fishing for about 10 minutes, but it was raining so hard I didn't want to play my GoPro. Lost one good smallmouth on a little Berkeley 3/8 ounce spinnerbait, and I caught 115 on the board. So I'm gonna start recording now. The rain kind of fizzled out. Let's catch them. That was a good fish. Oh! Guys, this is not meant to be today. Actually, no, I gotta change that attitude. Gotta change that attitude. I cannot believe how many fish I've lost, but we got a long time left. We just gotta fish. Oh my goodness. That's okay. Just gotta keep the right headset. And a half. Looked a lot bigger when it jumped, so I'm landing the smaller fish and I'm losing all the big fish. Oh boy. Not a bass. Not a bass. Oh my gosh, you guys, what a day. It's 15-inch largemouth. That was on a little Squarebill again. Caught him on a spinner, well, caught him on a spinnerbait, a Ned rig. Lost all the really big bites so far, which kills me. Gosh, I definitely had some really good fish there hooked up, but that's okay. We just gotta keep kind of grinding away here. Barely up, barely up. Don't do it, don't do it. Why are you so angry? 15 and a half. We seem to be sticking them a little bit better on the crankbait than we were on the spinnerbait. I got it. I needed that one. That one's a little bigger.
Awesome.
Yes.
It's not a massive.
It's a, yeah, it's a large. I'm in a tournament.
Oh, are you? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. We don't keep you.
Oh no, you're fine. You're fine. I take them pretty chill anymore.
Oh, good.
I've been doing this a long time.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah. I've lost so many this morning. I finally started sticking some.
Oh, good. Well, good luck, dear.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Get a big one.
I need a big one. 17. That's what we needed. Definitely sticking them better on the crankbait. When you're fishing riprap, you're gonna have some of that. A lot of different fish live here. $14 3/4. Okay, that pulled that 13. How's it going?
Have you landed any?
Yeah, I got a limit.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, I've lost. I should have a pretty good limit, but I lost like 6 or 7 good fish this morning on a spinnerbait.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but I got a limit. It's a little one. I got to make some calls, but
Good job, girl.
thank you. It's a start. All right, guys, just broke off a really nice one right here. Word to wise, if you're fishing around rock, check your line all the time. There's our camera boat, Steve. I don't think I've caught a single fish on camera this year for the camera boat. Would have loved to change that. Gosh. No, a largemouth. Sometimes it pays to not pay attention. Rarely, but sometimes it does, you guys. 16 3/4. We're gonna take that. that scared the crap out of me. That will definitely pull. 17. Needed that. That's like a 2.5-inch cold. Oh goodness. Okay, you guys, now the smallest fish we have is 15. There's a guy with his grandkids out here that I talked to earlier who I'm just watching him. He's catching the crap out of them on live crawdads. I mean, it just tells you how many fish are here. So I'm gonna put a Berkeley little trooper on it a little bit and fish that around to see if we can't get a couple big bites. I mean, he's absolutely destroying them. It's actually pretty maddening to watch, but it's really cool because they're having a great time, and his granddaughter caught like a 4-pound smallmouth down the lake somewhere, I heard him saying. So that's cool. Unfortunately, we cannot use live crayfish, but we're gonna try to catch them on that we're gonna try to catch them on this general, on the crankbait, and maybe on that little trooper here in a little bit. Now we're fishing clean, y'all. Now we're fishing clean. That's what matters. You get your limit? I just caught 2 around the corner. It's frustrating watching that dude with live bait, isn't it? It's frustrating watching that guy with live bait. He's catching the crap out of them. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing pretty good.
Catching any big ones?
Well, I got a couple that, you know, probably 2.5 pounders.
Yeah.
Lost 2 pretty nice ones.
Got a bunch of fish down this well in the last couple days.
Yeah, so basically all I fished. I'm sitting in the top 10 in our tournament.
Are you really?
Yeah, it just ended like a minute ago, but we got tomorrow too, so.
Are you fishing tomorrow too?
Yeah, it's a 2-day.
We're just leaving. We're just trying to get.
Oh, I'm done. So yeah, you all fish.
you.
Yeah, I can't cast anymore.
Oh, time's up.
Yep, my time's up.
Oh,
It
okay.
just
I didn't
ended.
want to fire my big motor if you were.
Oh, I appreciate that, but no, y'all are good. I'm gonna go load up.
You catch them on that Ned rig, the little crawfish.
No, that's what I lost a couple fish on. I caught them this morning. They were all over 3/8 spinnerbait, like all over it, just real tight to the rocks. And then I had to catch them on a Squarebill, mag graph.
You can weigh 12-inch fish, right?
Yeah, but I didn't have anything smaller than 15.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
All mine were over 15.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
On the outside and the inside?
Yeah, both. I mean, all of this just.
Yeah, we started here this morning, but there were so many people here that we just.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
Well, and it was raining, so everybody wanted to stay closed.
Yep, it was kind of miserable this morning. Yeah, I got all of them over 15. About 3 over 17.
Wow.
Yeah, but like I said, I lost a couple 3-pounders, at least 2 or 3 of them, and then several like 17s.
Good luck tomorrow, and we'll probably see you.
Are y'all fishing tomorrow too?
Yeah.
How many boats y'all got? How many boats y'all got?
We just have 14.
Oh, okay, that ain't bad.
We can put in anywhere, but this is typically the end that we always did.
Gotcha. Okay, you guys, day 1 is over. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. So I literally just told this boat exactly how I was catching them. Caught all my fish were 15, which is the legal limit. All my fish were over 15, which is the legal limit for the boats to keep them. He's like, how are you catching them? And I told them exactly what I was doing. And they said they're coming back there tomorrow to do that because they have a 2-day tournament, just like I do. Oh boy, so it's gonna be crowded tomorrow. There should be hopefully plenty of fish there. I'm sitting in 10th place right now. We're in the top 10, top 16 get paid. So right now, all I gotta do is go out there and catch them again. We can have a big day tomorrow and move way up there, get some more AOI points and cut a check. Y'all are gonna have to excuse me. I'm so tired. It gets so light here so early that we're waking up at 3:45 every single morning to get out there, and your girl is beat. Lost so many fish today. I can't. Sometimes I know that's how it goes, but do you guys think the last few turns for me have been kind of a mess? Because I do. I think they've been kind of messy, except for I guess Seminole was decent. I lost some fish there, but I just have not been all that together and organized, and I really think I just need a good long break just to get recentered and get everything back and get my stuff, my bearings about me. But we got to grind it out for one more day, put up a big limit. Let's go catch them tomorrow. I'm going to rig up a couple more things. I think I'm going to stick with a crankbait over that spinnerbait. I don't trust it tomorrow. So we're going to get rigged up and we're going to get out there. We're going to keep our head up and we're going to catch them. We'll see you guys on day 2.